Hi everyone, today we're drawing the three billy goats Gruff, and it's a really great story. I'm going to play it while the art video is going on, this way you can hear it in case you've never heard it before. It was one of my favorite little fairy tales growing up. I'm going to use water and a paintbrush later and just these markers. So now I'm going to draw two curved lines. So I made the first one and I put another one right under the first one. Time for some grass. Now that I have the grass, I'm going to be working on a grumpy troll and three billy goats. And one will be large, the other one will be medium, and the other one will be small. And I'm going to get the story started right now.
Of three billy goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were three billy goat brothers who lived on a grassy hillside near a river. There was little billy goat Gruff, middle billy goat Gruff, and great big billy goat Gruff, the largest of all. The billy goat brothers lived happily on their hillside, spending their days munching grass and drinking cool water from the river. But then, one terrible day, they looked around to see that they had eaten all the grass on the hillside.
Oh no! What will we eat now?
Cried little billy goat Gruff.
Don't worry, little brother.
Said middle billy goat Gruff.
Look across the river. There's a lush meadow over there, filled with delicious grass.
That's right,
said big billy goat Gruff.
all we have to do is cross the bridge, and we can eat all the grass we want.
But crossing the wooden bridge over the river was dangerous. The billy goat brothers knew that an awful, smelly troll lived underneath the bridge, and his favourite thing to eat in the whole wide world was billy goat.
Who will cross the bridge first?
Asked great big billy goat. Finally, little billy goat Gruff spoke up.
I will cross the bridge first.
He took a deep breath and trotted down the hillside. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop, clippity-clop went his hooves on the wooden bridge.
Who's that clip-clopping on my bridge?
Shouted the troll.
It's I, little Billy Goat Gruff.
Said the youngest billy goat, trying to sound brave.
I'm going over the river to eat the grass on the other side.
Oh no, you're not,
said the horrible troll, and he climbed up onto the bridge. His skin was green, and his nose was long and crooked. He had warts on his skin and sharp yellow teeth in his mouth.
I'm gonna eat you instead.
Little billy goat Gruff was very scared of the smelly old troll, but he was also a very smart billy goat.
I don't think you want to eat me. You see, I'm the smallest billy goat. I won't make a very good meal, but if you wait, my older brother, middle billy goat Gruff, will come along. He's much bigger than me.
Alright, you may cross the bridge.
And so, little billy goat Gruff clippity-clopped the rest of the way over the bridge and was soon in the lush meadow. On the other side of the river, the two other billy goat brothers saw that their youngest brother was safe.
I'll go next,
said middle billy goat Gruff, and off he went across the wooden bridge. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop, clippity-clop.
Who's that clip-clopping on my bridge?
Shouted the troll.
It is I, middle billy goat Gruff. I'm going over the river to join my brother in the meadow.
The smelly troll climbed up onto the wooden bridge a second time.
Oh no, you're not,
he hissed.
because I'm gonna eat you instead.
Middle billy goat Gruff was scared of the troll, but like his younger brother, he was also a smart goat.
You could eat me, but you would be making a mistake. If you just wait a short while, my older brother, great big billy goat Gruff, he's the biggest of all of us and would certainly make the best meal.
Alright, you may cross the bridge.
And so, Middle Billy Goat Gruff clip-clopped the rest of the way over the bridge, and was soon in the lush meadow with his younger brother. On the hillside, Great Big Billy Goat Gruff could see that both his brothers had made it safely across the river, and so off he went, down the hill and onto the wooden bridge. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop, clippity-clop,
Who's that clip-clopping on my bridge?
said the troll.
It is I, Great Big Billy Goat Gruff. I'm going over the river to join my brothers in the meadow.
The vile troll climbed up onto the wooden bridge a third time.
Oh, no, you're not. Because I'm gonna eat you instead.
But unlike his younger brothers, Great Big Billy Goat Gruff was not afraid of the terrible troll. The large goat stamped his hooves, lowered his great big horns, and charged at the troll. Crash! He rammed the troll right off the bridge. The horrible, ugly, smelly troll fell into the river with a great big splash. And so, Great Big Billy Goat Gruff clip-clopped the rest of the way over the bridge, and was soon in the lush meadow with Little Billy Goat Gruff and Middle Billy Goat Gruff. The three Billy Goat brothers spent the rest of their days happily munching green grass and drinking cool water from the river, and the ugly troll was never, ever seen again.
I hope you like that fun story. So, I'm working on the largest billy goat right now. And he's the biggest, and his horns are nice and curved. Now we can finish this bridge. We have to get our brown and continue the bridge. We try to make it nice and even going across. This is a really fun part. We get to draw the planks of the bridge. So we go straight across and down. On this side where they're crossing, we want to make extra grass. I'm going to add more water with little waves. To make the other side look even more delicious to the goats, I'm adding some flowers too. Picture's all done, but if you want to take it a step further, you can take a paintbrush and some water, and look at this. You can turn your marker almost into like a watercolor paint. The color will spread everywhere. Painting over your markers works really well with the washable markers, and the ones I'm using they're by Crayola. So here is the finished 3 Billy Goats Gruff drawing with the big grumpy troll under the bridge. Look, the puppy is coming to check it out. Oh, that looks so cool. I love that drawing that you made. And all those goats look so nice. I'm so happy that they made it to the other side. Thanks for watching. And have fun.